La 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 la. I'm Rosencrantz.
He's Guildenstern with Hamlet. We are better.
I'm Rosencrantz.
He's Guildenstern with Hamlet. We are
Patrick, you say I'm Guildenstern.
I did. I said you're Guildenstern with Hamlet. We are
You say, and I quote, I'm Guildenstern.
I didn't say that. I said you're Guildenstern. What I said, sheesh.
He's Rosencrantz.
I'm Guildenstern with Hamlet. We are friends. We got degrees at Wittenberg, where Faustus to attend. The daily prince's mother has called us to his side in hopes we can determine what's caused his moody tide.
But Hamlet is inscrutable.
I don't know what that means.
His anger is irrefutable.
And Juliet's 13.
It can't just be his father's death.
That got him so on edge.
So we've been called to suss it out
And talk him off the ledge.
He's Rosencrantz. He's Guildenstern.
And we are hired spies. But don't misunderstand us. Our methods you chastise. The crabby Prince of Elsinore is still our bestest pal. Whom will just exploit our good report. It's a valid rationale. But should our plans prove fruitless, to England we will sail. Dear Hamlet will be joining us, and there we will prevail. King Claudius has told us he has a backup scheme involving ears or some such thing.
We're glad he